Good morning viewers, welcome back again to another video. In this episode we are going to be working on this 2019 Honda HRV. Stay tuned. So the issues I'm getting from this Honda HRV is an intermittent CTBA warning system sign coming onto the dash during a cold startup. But then after being driven for a while, the next time I start the car, the CTBA warning light disappears. That's the one. And if your car is having a similar issues like this one, the next thing is to confirm and to check with the OBD scanner tool to make sure there are no faulty sensors within the car. And being almost 5-year-old car, I did a quick battery test and it is having a slight drop in voltage and somewhat losing its charge, so we know we have a battery problem. And being the battery issues, we understand that it will disturb some of the electronic safety features from functioning properly, in this case the CTBA warning light sensor to pop up. And let us go ahead and shop for new battery. And there it is, new battery. And so to remove the battery, we have to disconnect the negative side, positive side right here, and wiring harness right here. Also these two for the battery bracket. And that's it. Fixed. And that is a wrap for today's video. Please don't forget to drive the car around the block a couple of times just to make sure we've charged the battery. And you guys know what to do by now, and I will see you again on the next video. Peace.